Hey everyone, welcome to Tech Tutor. In this video, we will discuss how to add PDF file to home screen on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Shortcuts app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon to create a new shortcut. Next, tap Add, Action and type Open File in the search bar. When it appears, tap Open File from the results. Now, tap the File option next to the folder icon and choose the PDF file you want from the Files app. Then tap Default App and select Files as the app to open it. You can rename the shortcut to match the name of your PDF. This will also appear as the name on your home screen. Tap the play button to test that the shortcut opens your file properly. After that, tap the Open File, then choose Add to Home Screen. Finally, tap Add, and the PDF will appear as an icon on your home screen. And that's it. Your PDF is now just one tap away. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Tech Tutor for more iPhone tips. Thanks for watching.